Hi, everybody. This is Sandra. And as we are approaching the end of 2021, and what a hell of a year it's been for all of us, I just wanted to tune in with you, check in with you, how everybody is doing. And you can use the comment section below to kind of share with me and with our High Vibe community here on YouTube what has been challenging for you in the past year. What are your dreams and aspirations for the next months to come and for the new year? As I am feeling into tuning deeply into what it is that I want to step into or cultivate or become better at in the new year, I was feeling that there was some level of procrastination and some hesitation coming up with me. And from my personal experience, it's always been very helpful for me to do something in a group because it literally fuels my own intentions. It makes me step even deeper into what I want to manifest because there is some accountability and also some responsibility from my part when I am offering an online workshop or I am offering a retreat. I have to step deeper into my own personal work to become a better facilitator. As I was thinking what I want to manifest in the upcoming months, and especially in 2022, I got the idea of getting a group together and opening it up. So this is my invitation to you to join me for a 3-part workshop. And the first one will be in December. Let me look at my notes here, December 18 and December 19. That's a Saturday and a Sunday. And during those 2 first workshops, we would be diving really deeply into what are some of the obstacles, belief systems, events, all kinds of stuff that's happening in our life that is on some level holding us back to really step into full manifestation of what we desire. And that would be our main focus during the first 2 workshops in December. And then we go through the holiday season, and then we would rejoin, meet back up, gather up in January, the 2nd of January, to really step fully into what it is that we want to manifest. And like I was saying, it's a little bit selfish on one part because I know that if I'm in a group, I perform a lot better. I do better. There's accountability. So I am inviting you to join me and a group of high vibe people for 3 workshops, 2 in December and 1 in January. And it's all about the magic of new beginnings and how we can set new goals and create a new life. And I will put the link below if you want to jump in and join me in the group. You are more than welcome, and I look forward to spending quality time with you. Thank you so much, and thank you for doing the work. I really am super proud of you for doing all the sessions that I'm offering for free. And if for some reason you cannot join our group in December and January, please continue to do the work. There's so many free guided sessions out there that are super, super powerful. So I encourage you to keep doing the work. And I just want to say I thank you and I love you.